Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by powering off and disconnecting the Airpods. This prevents accidental short circuits. Once done, lay them on a clean, well-lit surface and use an ESD-safe mat to avoid static damage. Next, make sure you have the right tools, replacement batteries sized for your model, a tri-point Y000 screwdriver, thin pry picks, and low-tack adhesive. Start with the charging case. Pry the seam gently to release clips. Move deliberately. Rushing risks cracking the shell and damaging internal cables. Once the case is open, apply gentle heat to soften adhesive if needed, then use thin picks to separate shell halves slowly. This protects plastic clips. Next, identify and carefully disconnect the small flex cable connectors. This prevents tearing delicate wires when you lift components. Now you can access the batteries, desolder or gently pry them up, depending on model. Remove old adhesive and residue with 90% plus isopropyl. Clean surfaces, ensure new adhesive bonds, and prevent hot spots. Make sure connectors remain oriented. Install new batteries paying attention to polarity and fit. Once seated, reattach flex connectors firmly and check for secure contact. After that, apply fresh low-tack adhesive and close the case, aligning clips and torquing screws to spec so nothing binds. Charge fully, then pair the Airpods and run a test track at moderate volume to verify function. If LEDs or pairing fail, reset the case and check connector seating. If heat or swelling appears, stop immediately and consult a professional. Swollen cells are a safety hazard.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.